Hi everybody, I'm Hagen with MyCraftSource, and today we are talking about our full color transfers. These puppies right here. What are full color transfers? Essentially, they are ink with like adhesive powder just dripped on it and then dried. What that adhesive powder does is allow us to have our full colors with gradient, stuff like that, and it works just like HTV. It's great. You can put it on almost any garment, and it's really easy. Let's go ahead and get some stuff out of the way. Just a little bit of information. Full color transfers are good for quite a few things. They're good for special effects, gradient, even photorealistic artwork. They're extremely versatile and can be applied to nearly any fabric, including 100% cotton, 100% polyester, and polycotton blends, and many more. We've also had plenty of customers come to us saying that you can put it on like ceramics and tumblers and things of that nature. So if you ever want to try that, go for it. They're extremely stretchy and durable, and they have a smooth matte finish. So they're a little bit lighter than HTV. I'd compare it kind of to Softlex. It's close to that feeling. When it comes to applying our full color transfers, it's going to be 338 degrees for 15 seconds for the first press. That's no heat resistant sheet. That's just carrier sheet, and that's it. Second press is going to be for 10 seconds. So before our second press, you need to wait for the transfer to fully cool to where it's cold to the touch, and then you peel it. After that point, you can come in with your heat resistant sheet for your second press of 10 seconds. I'm going to show you all that here in a second. After all that, a little bit of care instructions. You don't want to dry clean it. You're going to want to machine wash cold with mild detergent. You're going to dry it on low, or you're going to hang dry it. I would personally recommend hang drying because that's just what I do. You're not going to use any chlorine bleach, bad for it, and you're going to turn your garment inside out before you clean it. Super simple, easy enough. Cool. Okay, so what I'm going to be pressing today is our Merry Everything and Happy Always transfer. It's going on one of our red shirts. Super simple. Yeah, so now we're just waiting on the heat press to warm up. Thumbs. Now that our heat press is to the temperature that we need, we're going to go ahead and pre-press this. What we're going to do now is just put our garment of choice onto our heat press and pre-press it. So the way I'm going to do this is put this here for like 3 seconds or so, something like that. Not long. Then what we're also going to do is get that cat hair off. What we're also going to do is you're going to fold it in half. That way we can get a nice center line on here and we'll be able to see what we're doing. So another 3 seconds. That should be good to go. Oh yeah, it's a little crooked. It's fine. It gets the idea across. I'll know where the stuff goes. You just gotta make sure you're on here even. Make sure you're on here good. I'll be home for Christmas. Cool, now we're there. I'm gonna grab the transfer. Boom, happy little Christmas tree. So, like I said before, I'm gonna get that little lined up. I do like 3 fingers down from like the neck bump thingy. You know what I'm talking about? On shirts, you get it. Put that there. And you're gonna put it right side up, like the way you read it normally. You read it and put it down. Cool. So we got that lined up where we want. For the first press, like I already said, you do a full 15 seconds, then wait for it to cool completely. I'll be home for Christmas. Now, we gotta wait for this to cool completely. So I'm gonna take it off here and actually walk outside with it because it's freezing outside. BRB. Another little fun little fact, a little hack for you is if you don't want to go outside and it's cold outside, just hold it up against the window. Who'd have thought? It's so cool. All right, now that we're cold, we can go ahead and pull this off of here and throw it away. We don't need it anymore. So now that we're here, we can put this back on here, take our heat resistant sheet. I don't know what mine is. Kind of like it's like Teflon or something like that. Anyways, put this on here and go for 10 seconds. Not the full 15, just 10 because I said so. Keeps the adhesive on there. You're fine. It makes sense. Beep, beep, beep. And then we should be good to go. And this is what we're left with. Really easy, really fun, really soft, nice and durable, stretchy. You gotta love it. Full color transfers are, in my opinion, they're the future. Love them. They're so great, so great. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank y'all very much for watching. Deuces. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and be sure to ring the little bell so you get our notifications. Our most recent video should be down in this corner, and I highly recommend watching it. Thank you.